friends, students, you must have revised, finished your first exercise with my first video. That is your exercise number 7.1. I gave you two sums as homework. So let us now check whether you have done it right or not. So I am doing it for you again because I have a trick to explain you here. Now surface area of sphere. Here the question is given, diameter is 42. So radius is directly half of it. You can write it here itself. That is radius is equal to 21. Then write down the given things like diameter is 42, radius is 21. You can write down. Diameter is 42 centimeters and radius is 21 centimeters. You are supposed to find surface area of sphere and volume of sphere. Surface area of sphere. Formula is simple. 4 pi r square. Put the value 4 into this. 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 because radius you have got 21 now. So multiply. Here you 7 1s are 7 3s are, so that gives you 88 into 63. That gives you 5544 centimeter square. Here the calculation is done for you. Now using 3.14 as pi's value, you get this answer 5538.96 centimeter square, which is given behind. Now very simple trick is there when you are finding surface area and volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 pi r square multiply by r upon 3 gives you 4 upon 3 pi r cube. You have already calculated 4 pi r square. So put the value here and multiply it here. I have given you the value using pi 3.14. So put this one and multiply it by 21 upon 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are, and the calculation is done for you here. It's so simple. So our 12th question now is, this figure is given to you and the diameter of the cylinder is 14 and here this is height of the cylinder is 30, which I mentioned here. You also have to write the given things. And the sphere here inside the cylinder is mentioned, that is diameter 2 centimeters, so radius would be 1 centimeter. Now see, you're supposed to find the water in this. अब दोस्तों यहाँ पे पानी कितना अवेलेबल है ये ढूंढना है हमको. ये जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर है, देखो क्या होता है, आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल यू नो, whatever the thing you put into the water, the equal amount of volume is displaced by it. So the volume of the sphere when it is dropped into the cylinder, it increases the level of the water according to its volume, right? So you are supposed to find level of water in this. Now volume of water with sphere in the cylinder minus the volume of sphere will give you only plain volume of water. So volume of water with sphere is pi r in the cylinder. Volume of cylinder you can directly put, that is volume pi r square h minus 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So pi you have to take out common, r square h minus 4 upon 3 r cube. Pi you can always keep common. So finally you can always multiply and write the answer. Since the answer is given in terms of pi in your book, we are keeping it in terms of pi, but ultimately even if you multiply it at the end of the day, it's okay. You get marks. So pi r square is 7 square. We are putting the value of cylinder here. So be very careful about it. Here 7 square multiplied by 30 and 4 upon 3. Now radius is 111, so 4 upon 3 it comes here. 49 multiplied by 30 gives you 1470 minus 4 upon 3. Now here, here you can directly 4 upon 3 you can write 1 point something and do it if you find it comfortable. Else you can always see that here rationalize the denominator. Check whether the denominator is same. So 1470 multiplied by 3 minus 4 gives upon 3. That gives you 4410 minus 4. So that is 4406 upon 3. Calculate it, you get the answer. That is 1468.666. Now 6 is recurring. You can convert that, since it is more than 5. You can put it 667 pi. Next three-dimensional figure is frustum. Frustum is somewhat like this figure. देखो ये इस तरह से जो सॉलिड फिगर होता है इसको फ्रस्टम कहते हैं. इसका ऊपर भी देखो एक बड़ा सर्कल है और नीचे बेस में भी एक सर्कल है. ओके, इसीलिए देखो यहाँ पे सर्कल दिखा है. और जो बड़ा वाला सर्कल होगा ना, चाहे वो फिगर इस तरह हो या इस तरह हो, जो बड़ा साइड होगा उसका जो रेडियस होगा उसे हम R1 कंसिडर करेंगे और इसे छोटे वाले को हम R2 कंसिडर करेंगे बिकॉज R1 इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन R2. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज एक्चुअली द फ्रस्ट्रम? सी हियर, नाउ दिस इज द बेस, that is the top or the base, whatever way you consider. This is your one circle, so pi r square will be its area, again pi r square will be its area, and since I said you r1 will be bigger, so pi r1 square नीचे का होगा, pi r2 square ऊपर का होगा. ये slant height है, देखो slant height is L, and since it is again having some perpendicular height, so perpendicular height is H, correct? And how is this frustum formed? आपको बुक में ये जो है ज्यादातर कोन को कट करके, कोन का ऊपर का पार्ट अगर हम कट कर देते हैं तो ये फ्रस्ट्रम बनता है, ऐसे सिखाया गया है. क्यों सिखाया गया है? क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली ये कोन का बचा हुआ पार्ट है अगर हम ऊपर का पार्ट निकाल देते हैं तो. सो इसका एक एग्जाम्पल आप बकेट भी रख सकते हो. नाउ स्लांट हाइट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रम, इसीलिए अगर आप ये सारे फॉर्मूलाज को ध्यान दोगे तो ये कौन से रिलेटेड है? स्लांट हाइट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रम इज L, दैट इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ, हमने देखा था पाइथागोरस यूज किया है कोण में, h स्क्वायर प्लस r स्क्वायर होता है, यहाँ पे r1 माइनस r2 स्क्वायर होगा. देन कर्व सरफेस एरिया, ये देखो ये वाला पूरा एरिया, मतलब हम ये दोनों बेसेस छोड़ के जो एरिया निकालते हैं ना उसको कर्व सरफेस एरिया कहते हैं, मैंने समझाया था आपको. सो कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रम पाई आर एल, हमारा कोन का वॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रम इज 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, अपना फॉर्मूला है कोन में, तो 1/3 पाई एच वैसे ही रहेगा, यहाँ पे सिर्फ r1 स्क्वायर प्लस r2 स्क्वायर प्लस r1 इंटू r2 ऐड होगा. सो दीज आर द फॉर्मूलाज फॉर योर फ्रस्ट्रम, एंड योर सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज इज बेस्ड ऑन फ्रस्ट्रम. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ 7.2. First question of exercise 7.2. You have been given as a radius r1 14 centimeter, r2 7 centimeter. The question is on the screen. Height is 30 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of frustum because the capacity is asked. 1 liters conversion is 1000 centimeter cube. This you must by heart. This is already given in the question, but it may not be given in the exam. 1/3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square, that is our formula. Just put our formula here. And 1/3 22/7 30. So 3 1s are 3, 3 30s, 3 10s है, यहाँ पे हो गया. ये 14 square plus 7 square plus 14 into 7. This gives you 196 plus 49 plus 78. You have just taken down here 22 into 10. Now see how to add. One simple trick I am teaching you here because addition takes a lot of time. 196 की जगह आप इसको 200 ले लीजिए, 49 की जगह आप इसको 50 कंसिडर कीजिए, 98 की जगह आप इसको 100 कंसिडर कीजिए. आपको सिंपली हो गया ये 350. अभी इसमें 4 आपने ज़्यादा लिए थे, इसमें 1 5 और ये 6 7 आपने टोटल में ज़्यादा लिए थे, तो 350 में से 7 माइनस कर दीजिए, यू गेट 343. दिस अ वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक, इट सेव्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. नाउ 220/7, व्हेन यू डिवाइड दिस 7 it comes 49. So 220 multiplied by 49 gives you 10780 centimeter cube, and just convert it into liters by dividing it by 1000. You get 10.780 liters. On screen now, and your radius for the second question is given 14. Radius second is 6 and height is 6. You have to find L, h square plus r1 minus r2 square. Just put the values. 14 minus 6 gives you 8 square. So under root of 100 gives you 10. Curved surface area of frustum, that is pi L into bracket r1 plus r2. Pi 3.14 you take, multiply by 10, and 14 plus 6 gives you 20. Just see the cancellation. 3.14 को multiply करते मत बैठिए आप, 314/100 कर दीजिए, इसको 0 0 कैंसिल होगा. आंसर comes 314 into 2, that is 628 centimeter square. Now see in this sum, we have already found out curved surface area, and I continuously have been explaining you, when we are finding out total surface area, we have to take curved surface area plus both the bases. So curved surface area is pi L into r1 plus r2, which you have already calculated, that is 628. Now you can simply substitute it, plus pi into bracket r1 plus r2 square. So r1 square is 196, 6 square is 36, 3.14 से उसको multiply कीजिए, and here I have shown you the multiplication, 314 into 232. This decimal is there, so here finally we have to add the decimal, and Again 628 is added, so it gives you 1356.48 centimeter square. Supposed to calculate volume of frustum. So formula is 1/3 pi h into bracket r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Put the value 3.14, 6 here because height is 6. R1 square, 14 square, 6 square plus 14 into 6. So 196 plus 36 plus 84. You can simply put it 6.28. You have to multiply 6.28 by 316. Here I have calculated it for you. The answer comes 1984.48 centimeter cube. Now our third question is there, which is activity, and in board exams activity based question papers are there. That is very, very important, but I wish you should solve it on your own. Try it. Otherwise, again I'll explain you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and thank you once again. Keep sharing, keep watching, keep learning.